just weird, bro. Fuck, man.
What's up, boys? So, I don't know why I just randomly had this thought about rewatching these like vlogs I used to do, right? So I had like 2 of these vlogs that I did back like when I first started out on YouTube, and I really don't know why I stopped. No, actually I do know, that's a lie. I stopped because I found it annoying trying to record every single like activity I did just so I had like vlog content, and it just like I got so bored of it. I'm like, bro, I'm not trying to record myself go to the gym like every single day. Like, you're gonna get bored of it. But honestly, I think I'm gonna keep doing that. So this is basically the 3rd episode, bro. Like, it took, if y'all like waited for this long, I hope y'all are happy, because it's this last time I posted this video was like April 2022. So none of this stuff is going to be edited, or at least try to not be edited, unless there's like really long breaks where I'm not talking. But let's see like where we take it. But honestly, look where we are now. Like that first episode, hold on, I started this video by showing y'all how like my laundry was like all over my bed. You look at me now, bro, like it's in the same position, bro. I got all this laundry that I just did. Like, some things never change, bro. A year and a half later and I'm still doing my laundry. So like, I guess since, you know, we're rebooting this vlog channel, I might show y'all like me doing my laundry again. So I guess y'all can watch that right quick. Bro, I don't even know how I get this much laundry. I wear the same clothes like every day. So it kind of doesn't even make sense how I even have this in the first place, but you know, it is what it is. This is like the highlight of my day, honestly. Like, y'all might think, oh bro, I make YouTube videos so I do like extravagant stuff like during the day. No, this is the highlights, bro. Doing my laundry. This is like the peak experience for me, bro. Because I don't even be doing much. I just stay at home and just grind. So it's like when I do something like doing laundry, this is like the main event for the day. And I just messed up these buttons, honestly. I think it's kind of funny though that I started these like both of these videos. Started both of them the exact same way, like doing my laundry and then getting this bed organized, because, you know, I was gonna go to sleep, couldn't sleep, of course, so I was reading. Then I had this thought of videos that I want to make, but as I'm writing around like on the videos and stuff, I realized that the video like I want to make isn't actually nowhere. It's like the video would have been like 2 minutes long if I made this. So I was like, whatever, bro. And then I ended up on YouTube, and for some reason, so like the reason why, because I've always wished that like the people I look up to, I've always wished like I wish they had like documentation of their lives so I can see like what their day-to-day was like before becoming successful, before becoming well-known and stuff. And so it's like, I want to do that for me, because I know I'm gonna look back in like a year from now thinking, man, I really wish I knew what I was doing like 24 weeks ago. You know, something like that. Honestly, I don't even know, but it just like makes sense. Like the logical thing to do is just record it, post it on YouTube for people to watch, so y'all can see my journey too, because we're currently at, how many subscribers we got right now? Honestly, it's 967. Mashallah, bro. We're almost at 1K. But yeah, maybe what's today's date? December 4, 2023. Come back to this video in a year from now, December 4, 2024. Inshallah, we're gonna turn this 1,000 subscribers to 100K. Inshallah, just mark my words, it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna just end this video right here. I've yapped on long enough. Honestly, y'all don't need to hear me say anything else. But that's about it. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.